our screen? Our brain. But here's the thing, what's the sensor? Our eyes. So you tell me that our brains never screw up what goes from our eyes to there? Right, it's how you can stand next to someone and have a completely different experience. Your version of reality is absolutely a simulation that your brain is putting on inside your head right now. You are not seeing anything. You are seeing the interpretations your brain has determined to be real. Right now. Period, full stop. End. Wild, right? So it'd be like closing your eyes and going, I know there's a table here. Well, your brain goes, well, there's something there. I've confirmed it now with touch, right? But here's the thing. Our brains, while also being super, like, pattern-hungry machines, are terrible multitaskers. And I'll say this because I'm going to give you 2 tasks with this next job, okay? This is a concentration test.